For a full screen button, press the plus, type checkbox, and click Create. Type full screen under text, go to Node Signals and connect the toggled signal to any script. First we'll check if toggled on is true. If so, then we will grab the display server and use the function window set mode. Within this function, we will use the exclusive full screen mode. In the else for the script, we will write the same line of code, but instead use the windowed mode. If you want to provide the user with the drop-down of window modes, press the plus, type option button, click create, select the items drop-down and click add element for each type of window mode. I will make an option for exclusive full screen, maximized, minimized, and windowed. Keep the order of the options in mind as that is what will be used in our code. Next, go to Node, Signals, and connect the item selected signal to any script. This function will pass the index. We will use match on the index and check every possible option we added previously. We use match instead of multiple if statements as it does the same job in a more readable and performant way. Finally, we will add all the desired window modes for the respective index.